What the fuck?
Holy fuck, bro.
I saw a piece over there. There it is. Found the clutch.
What was?
Piece of shit, yeah. It wasn't even fucking recording. God damn. Well then,
Hey,
there's my spring.
that bitch was kabam!
Damn, dude. I guess that way.
It's the only main road.
Yeah.
Hey, look, you done got him started. He's on TikTok now.
Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck.
The winch, your shame. Look at old Mud Beaner here. Look at him. Go with it, brother. Go.
I think he lost something.
Look, Giovanni, what you got in your hand?
I don't know. He lost it.
Hey, ain't that supposed to be on the bike?
Gorilla glue.
Look at this shit here. Damn winch of shame right here. Got a winch on the bike. Got a winch the bike on the goddamn trailer.
I think my belt slipped.
Think your belt slipping a little bit? Yeah, can you hit high gear on that winch right there? Hit high gear.
We'll go wheel drive. Oh, that nut one, boy. Yeah.
Bam! Hey, pull it out of the fucking the furling right there. No, pull it out of the furling.
Oh, shit.
Don't fall, bro. Don't fall. There we go. Mud Beaner, give us a goddamn shout out, goddamn. Come on now.
Hey.
Hey, was Muddy Bottoms good to you? Yep. This is the aftermath right here. Now he said he want to go home. He ain't going home. You ain't going home.
This is a first for me, but I'm heading home early on a Saturday night. Not only was it cold, but I kind of blew my clutch up on the razor, and it came out the side of my my belt box. I'm gonna try to get home before this snowstorm hits that everybody's talking about.
Yeah, damn, that was fucking close. We made a all the way from Louisiana back to Fort Worth in one piece. Made it in just under 4 hours, and I stopped once to fill up the tank. This is gonna be a pain in the ass to wash, and it's probably gonna be a couple days because I ain't fixing to wash it in 30-degree weather, or 20 or 17, whatever it's supposed to drop down to. Here we go. Man, kind of mad seeing everybody else doing donuts, having fun in the snow, and my razor's stuck on the trailer. I don't even know how I'm gonna get it down. So there's what my clutch looks like. That's my belt hanging out. I still don't know what's all going on in there.